Have you ever wondered if it's possible to live forever? While every known living creature eventually ages and dies, there is one exception hidden deep in the ocean: the immortal jellyfish. In this documentary, we are about to explore one of nature's greatest biological mysteries, a jellyfish that defies death itself. This small, almost transparent creature can reverse its aging process, making it one of the only known organisms capable of achieving biological immortality. Could this tiny sea creature hold the key to human longevity? What secrets lie behind its ability to cheat death? Let's dive into the science behind this remarkable jellyfish and uncover the truth behind immortality in the natural world. Unlike humans and other animals, the immortal jellyfish doesn't follow the typical life cycle. Instead of aging and dying, it has the ability to revert back to its juvenile form, restarting its life all over again. The key to its immortality lies in a process called transdifferentiation. Here's how it works. When the jellyfish experiences stress, injury, or even starvation, its body reverses development. It transforms its mature cells back into their original state, effectively resetting its life cycle. This cycle can repeat indefinitely, allowing the jellyfish to potentially live forever under the right conditions. Scientists have observed that no other creature on Earth is known to have this level of biological regeneration. It's almost like pressing a reset button on life itself. The immortal jellyfish was first discovered in the 1880s, but it wasn't until the 1990s that marine biologist Christian Sommer realized its incredible ability to reverse aging. Since then, researchers have been studying how this process works, hoping to apply this knowledge to medicine, aging, and even human longevity. The study of the immortal jellyfish has led scientists to explore groundbreaking possibilities, understanding aging. Could this jellyfish help scientists unlock the secrets of aging and disease prevention? Regenerative medicine. If we understand how it regenerates cells, we might one day heal injuries and even reverse diseases like Alzheimer's. Longevity research. Could humans one day harness this power to extend human lifespan or even achieve immortality? While immortality sounds exciting, it also comes with major challenges: overpopulation. If humans could live forever, what would happen to Earth's resources? Ethical concerns. Should we even pursue immortality? Would it be fair for some people to live forever while others do not? The jellyfish is still mortal. While it doesn't die from aging, the jellyfish is not invincible. It can still be eaten by predators or die from extreme environmental conditions. The mystery of immortality comes with both promise and peril, raising deep questions about the future of life itself. The existence of the immortal jellyfish challenges everything we know about biology and aging. As we uncover more about its unique ability, it forces us to ask, what if science could one day allow humans to reverse aging? Is true immortality even desirable, or is it better to live with a natural lifespan? Should we focus on extending life or improving the quality of life we already have? For now, the immortal jellyfish remains a living mystery, teaching us that nature still holds secrets we have yet to understand. The immortal jellyfish reminds us that nature never ceases to amaze. While we may not have the answers to eternal life yet, the study of this incredible creature is pushing the boundaries of science, medicine, and our understanding of existence itself. So the next time you gaze at the ocean, remember, beneath those waves, a tiny jellyfish is quietly defying death, living an endless cycle of renewal and rebirth. Perhaps somewhere in its biology, the future of human longevity awaits. Would you want to live forever if given the chance? Or is life more meaningful because it ends? Let the mystery of the immortal jellyfish inspire you to explore the endless possibilities of science and nature.